welcome back to my channel. Or should I do my famous intro? Hey you guys. Hey y'all, I'm really excited. So we just got a letter. Stay tuned for Blue's Clues.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from?
Hey y'all, so I know it's been a minute since I actually recorded, but I've been waiting for these all week. No, not all week, I'm lying. I just ordered these a few days ago, but it's my AirPods. I know you guys are probably like, why are you so hype about AirPods? It's because I never had a pair. I couldn't afford a pair because those things is like over $120 something. I couldn't afford those. I had kids to feed. But now your sis got a job and making that money. So I'm able to get all of the things that I want. So let's open her up. Yeah, she excited. Don't pay me no mind. Well, yeah, pay me some mind. Subscribe. Thumbs me up. My AirPods. I'm so excited, guys. Some of you may not understand because everybody has AirPods, but I got these off of Poshmark. I wanted something to come fast because when you order through Amazon, it takes like a month for you to get your packages. And ain't nobody got time for that. If you're wondering, I'm sitting in my car. So I'm opening it up for the first time. My AirPods. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys saw my the video that I had made. I believe it was last year. I had got some bootleg AirPods. I did a video and I put it on my Instagram too. They was called EarPod. Well, that's what I called them. Look how tiny this is. Where's the plug? I was about to say, don't cheat me. Got my plug. And I don't know how to use these things. I don't know what I'm doing, but I got AirPods. So I don't know if they charged already, but I'm going to use my car charger and just plug it in so I can let y'all know what's good. I feel like I've been gone forever. For all of you that don't know, I work for Amazon. I am an essential worker, and I have been working for Amazon for about a month now. And yeah, some of you guys don't know, or you might be new, but I don't know, maybe they charged already. I did YouTube this because I didn't know what I was doing. I think you're supposed to turn on your Bluetooth, which I'm going to do now. Okay, my Bluetooth is on. So what you do is push this button down. I don't know what's supposed to happen, but I think you just put them in your ear. Somebody help me, please. This says right and this says left. My hands are so ashy. I got AirPods. Let me take a picture. Okay, so as I stated, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm going to have to get help from my daughter. But they are brand new, so it shouldn't be any issues with it working. So I think I'm going to charge these up. I don't know if it needs to be charged, but I'll be right back. Okay, hey y'all, hey, I'm back. And I figured it out. I was supposed to open the case and it cut automatically and I didn't know. So my dumb behind had to read the instructions. But don't laugh at me because I never had AirPods before, so I didn't really know like what I was doing or how to do it. So I was getting ready to ask my daughter for help, but I figured it out. Had to open it and it paired. These are so cool. Now, since I have a hearing problem on this one, I'm hoping that they play really loud. Hello? I can hear myself. I'm so retarded. Don't pay me no mind. But anyway, guys, I'm so excited. I'm off today and tomorrow, so I'm going to try my best to give you guys videos as much as I can because I work like a lot. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video of me being retarded, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you again later. Bye.